Welcome to One in a Billion Moments in Nature, where the rarest and most astonishing moments of the natural world unfold right before your eyes.
Oh my God!
Stay focused, because what you're about to witness may be something you've never seen in your life. While we are admiring one of the ocean's most breathtaking moments, remember that you are standing next to a creature weighing between 30 and 40 tons.
Oh my God!
Oh, can you believe this?
I've never seen things
On a highway near West Java, the Earth decided to rewrite the map. This was not just a road collapse, it was a geological betrayal. This hungry leopard had no choice but to accept defeat after picking a fight with a porcupine. This is a one-in-a-billion moment reminding us of nature's harsh fairness. The strong do not always win. For reptiles like pythons, having hundreds of quills embedded in their organs or muscles can cause severe infection and paralysis. Yellowstone is a sleeping giant, and today it has slightly opened one eye. Most people see this national park as just a postcard of the American West. In the American West, the Earth remains a beautiful, unpredictable beast that can never truly be conquered. On the safari grasslands, there is a spectacle every visitor hopes to witness. Although it looks intense and brutal, it is completely natural behavior. This reporter nearly became the main character in his own news story. These manatees are seeking refuge in warm springs in Florida, only to realize their sanctuary has turned into a stage for human cruelty. This stretch of the Nile River has one of the highest crocodile densities in the region, meaning the beauty here always comes with real danger. When you go out to film wildlife, you must be brave enough to face situations like this. Do not let distance fool your eyes. A large avalanche can travel at speeds of up to 300 kilometers per hour. A A moment showing how landslides can happen incredibly fast, beyond what you might expect. The neck muscles of a bull are designed to lift objects up to 5 times its body weight. And here it is, using that power with terrifying precision. It seems this ostrich did not appreciate being followed, and the camera had to pay the price.
Stop trying to eat the camera.
Do you think this is a venomous snake about to strike? Look again. It is actually a harmless caterpillar performing one of the most impressive deceptions on the planet.
Explain my excitement because under this piece of bark right here, I got one of the most venomous species of scorpion in the world. The yellow fat-tailed scorpion. Gee! This scorpion right here, pretty cool about scorpions is they freaking glow, bro. Under UV lights, dude, yeah, they're glowing. This thing glowing, bro. You see that?
If you think goats only graze on the ground, look up at the trees in Morocco. Here, gravity seems not to exist.
Yeah, you can give them, yes, you've got.
When nature becomes angry, even the strongest structures become insignificant. A lost lighter can become a lifelong nightmare for a monkey.
This is Darth. I've got photos with him throughout his whole lifespan, but he got me this time. I tried to hold him and he said, nope. Where are you going, dude? Oh my gosh. Oh.
This is considered the prank of the year, but many people are upset, saying the man took advantage of the woman and that it was a cruel joke.
It says they just, oh, what the?
You are looking through a living creature. This is a glass frog, one of the most extraordinary wonders of Central and South American rainforests. With its transparent belly, you can clearly see its beating heart and internal organs. Sometimes nature needs a reason to show its power, and sometimes that reason is simply freedom. Nature can be calm, but when its limits are crossed, it reclaims its territory with its most primal force. Heavy rainfall turned peaceful streams in Üzümlü Erzincan into raging mud monsters. In just moments, water levels rose beyond control. While lions hunt out of hunger hippos attack to defend their territory and assert absolute dominance.
Oh my God. We need to get away from these trees. Just
In this moment, all human engineering efforts become meaningless in the face of the powerful movement of the Earth's crust. Nature is reclaiming its space in the most brutal way possible. Under the harsh cold of St. Joseph Lake, Michigan, suddenly transforms into a massive natural sculpture workshop. Subscribe now to witness the most incredible wonders of winter with 1 in a billion moments in nature. Lake Dianchi, one of the largest lakes in southwestern China.
Whoa, check out this bioluminescent algae in the sand.
Forget the bright neon lights of Los Angeles. Tonight, Venice Beach is putting on a far more mysterious light show.
so much.
This is the longest bony fish in the world, designed to withstand the extreme pressure of the mesopelagic zone. Its appearance near the shore is a scientific anomaly, a biological error that may signal an approaching natural disaster.
He'd be vibrating.
Flash floods are a masterpiece of hydrodynamic efficiency. Just 6 inches of fast-moving water can knock down an adult, while 2 feet can sweep away an SUV.
ลอยเข้าสู่ถนนทางหลวงชนบทและทำการปิดกั้น
Not everyone has the privilege of being approached by a wild bison in broad daylight like this.
You got bad breath too! Oh, you got some bad breath! Ah, you're such bad breath. Ah, you're almost getting me!
Oh my gosh, they're still coming down. Look at this.
You should know that animal rain is a rare but real phenomenon.
Don't run out, watch out!
Oh my gosh, fish, they're actually falling out of the sky. I'm under the port. Do not feed the zebras! It says don't feed the zebras! Oh no! Oh no!
In safari parks in New Jersey, animals have learned to associate the sound of car engines with a free meal. In the extreme cold of the polar regions, how do marine animals breathe when a massive layer of ice covers the surface? Humpback whales provide an impressive answer, using their strength to break through the ice, creating breathing holes to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. This is not a scene from a science fiction movie. You are witnessing a cloud formation so strange that it left thousands of people in awe. A 1 in a billion moment in Palu, a brutal reminder of the hidden power beneath the Earth's crust. You are witnessing the mass spawning of an entire coral reef, a phenomenon that occurs only once a year. The survival rate of coral larvae is extremely low, as they must face predators and the harsh conditions of ocean currents. Beneath the murky waters of the Amazon, a dark shadow is lurking. Do not let its small size fool you. This is the piranha, a freshwater predator feared for its razor-sharp bite, capable of tearing prey apart within seconds. When a single drop of blood touches the water, a chemical signal is released, triggering hundreds of individuals to rush into a feeding frenzy.
Cut straight through flesh.
Unlike many fish that simply bite piranhas, possess a highly specialized jaw mechanism. A black piranha can generate a bite force of up to 320 newtons, about 30 times its own body weight. Relative to its size, this bite is even stronger than that of a great white shark or a crocodile. Brutal, precise, and perfectly efficient. That is how the piranha has dominated the freshwater world for millions of years. Welcome to Saltstraumen, home to the strongest tidal current on Earth. Every 6 hours, hundreds of millions of cubic meters of seawater surge through a narrow strait, creating massive whirlpools. Here, the raw power of the tides transforms the ocean into a violent spinning force. This is not the result of a science fiction movie, but a real scar on our planet. Look at the screen over 1,600 meters of slope, flattened in just a few seconds.
Okay.
Among all these incredible moments, which one made you stop and watch just a little longer today? Leave a comment and tell us which natural phenomenon you want to explore in the next episode. Thank you for joining 1 in a Billion Moments in Nature. If you are fascinated by rare and breathtaking phenomena, make sure to subscribe, because countless mysteries are still waiting to be revealed. See you soon, where nature will once again leave us in awe.
Là, je crois que c'était pas prévu ça. Philippe. Oh.